everyone. Welcome. Today is Cinco de Mayo. This is my special Cinco de Mayo shirt. And it seems only right that we make guacamole on this day. So I will bring out head chef Buddy to make it.
Hello.
No.
It's British Buddy. Alright.
No,
Get your avocados.
Stop.
Why?
Don't speak up.
Get your avocados.
No.
Your jalapenos.
You're like
Your
forcing your
cilantro.
mouth in a different form.
And red onions.
You have to redo all of that because
No.
Okay, restart.
Redo it.
What? It's avocados.
Alright, so we're making Chipotle guacamole directly from Chipotle's website. I got it from Twitter, but we're using 4 avocados.
Wait, you're actually gonna talk like this the whole time?
Doing during quarantine, practicing his British accent, and let him do it. Anytime, buddy, anytime.
I'm just trying to save your
So,
embarrassment.
here's how I cut the avocado. I make a slit at the top and cut it long ways, and if it doesn't correctly peel off, you kind of wiggle the knife around a little bit, and then it pops out just like that. Do it with the second one as well. Slice from the top, work the knife a while around, pushing as you go. Nice and easy, and then it should line up. Pop it open. Boop. Perfect. At different ripeness, you can just pop them straight out of the skin, just like that. Now it might leave some residue. Make sure that you don't cut your fingers, because I've almost done that multiple times. We have a hater in the crowd.
Shut up!
It's not a good accent though, it's hard to listen to. Can we just record it like normal people? Like we're actually somewhat normal or something?
You know, that American accent is bloody horrendous. I can't tell which part of the country you're from, okay? You got to work on it, love.
Fine, I'll speak in Spain British.
Spain British.
Oh.
Hola.
Girly just left. This nut loves to stay in the avocado. Now this stuff really stains if you get it in your cuts. Just let you know from experience. I tend to just make little incisions. I feel like the juice is more easily squirted out into the mixture. You stupid lime! So I just smashed this up with the masher, and I'm mixing it up again with a spoon after putting half of a lime in here. Oh, you got the salt, the kosher salt, Girly. You want to get that out of the cabinet? Now I mix it as I... Oh!
Nice going.
Just like this. This is the most precise way. It's pretty tough to do it like that.
Salty like Chipotle.
What?
Also keep in mind if you want it more chunky, you gotta mix it less.
Alright, after you take the salt, you have these...
Rip a hole on the
I
side.
know, but I tied this with jalapenos. Girly said that these are peppers and not real jalapenos last time. But you're supposed to cut up the whole thing, including the seeds, supposedly. Now, last time I didn't put in that much, so maybe I'll put in a tiny bit more and dice it a tiny bit more. This will definitely include more seeds. And I already can smell this. It smells like an avocado.
What?
I mean...
Have you ever, like...
This is the professional way to do it. I'm just kidding. I don't know how to do this that well. Well, we don't have to mix it up yet. Since Girly wants it chunkier.
Ew.
Well,
Intermission because the camera just... What? Ran out of storage?
hold them down. This is a weird one. But anyways, yeah, so pretty much I just go like this. I just take this one.
Yeah, it works really well. Careful of the thingies. Do you know where the term 007 comes from?
No.
It's derived from 307, the home zip code of Washington, D.C. agents.
The last ingredient that we have is the red onion. So this red onion looked pretty weird when I took it out of the stuff today. I don't know if it's just because I chopped it with like the same knife without cleaning it last time with the guacamole. I wonder how much onion we should have. I don't really use the side onion pieces.
Yes, onions have layers.
Oh, I knew that. Shrek told you that.
I know.
It's like, oh.
I want to know how many cooks have lost a finger.
That's looking pretty finely diced to me. All right, so then after you get that, you slide the knife. Oh,
That was
man,
so...
I wish it was gonna look better than that did. All right, so this is the bowl. Not a whole lot of stuff in there, if you ask me. A lot more onions than anything. And we mash it up. This masher thing. And mash it up more. More.
How runny do you want it?
Don't be shy. Mash it up some more. Oh yeah, that's looking good now. All right, we gotta try it. We gotta get the pita chips to try it.
Thoughts better or worse than last time?
I'm not sure. It's a different flavor than last time.
Oh boy.
You try it. Girly said the aftertaste makes it feel like she threw up in her
Don't
mouth.
tell them that. But it's good while you're eating.
I'd say it's pretty good. I feel like it is different.
I'd subtract something, but I don't know what.
I feel like there's too much onion.
Too much onion? Whatever makes me feel like throwing up. It tastes like I just threw up in my mouth. While I was eating it, it was good.
I think it needs more salt. Maybe put some more salt in there. All right, Girly, close us out.
Bye.